Today's featured car of the day is a 1972 Pontiac GTO hardtop. This one had the 400 base 400 engine and a automatic transmission with the bucket seats and the console. Had some day 2 updates done to it. It had different newer wheels, different valve covers, and air cleaner under the hood, and a few other things. It had the hood tack and the rear spoiler, brand new paint job done to it in resale red, so that really catches your eye. Had a different steering wheel, like I mentioned, some different updates underneath the hood. It sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $20,250. I thought that was a pretty good deal for a 72 GTO because they are pretty rare. They only made a total of 5,673 GTOs in 1972. And out of that, 3,248 had a 400 standard engine with an automatic transmission, like this guy. He had 1,519 had the 4-speed transmission with the standard 400 engine, and 235 had the 455 standard engine with the automatic transmission. 310 had the high output 455 with a 4-speed, and 325 had the 455 high output with an automatic transmission, for a total of 5,673. So it was a pretty rare bird, and I thought it was a pretty good deal for somebody. Seller stated his comments said that rebuilt 400 cubic inch engine, automatic transmission, new raised white letter tires, Rally 2 wheels, disc brakes, fresh red paint, bucket seats and console, new exhaust, all high-end parts used, Pontiac Historical Society papers, a real GTO, hood tack, very fast and loud. And I noticed on the dashboard it was a copy of the dealer invoice for it. So it had some paperwork to back it up. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.